Guys, hope you have a fantastic day. I'm having a really good day. I finally found my dream daily driver. I found a Lada 2104 and it's awesome. Let me show you. Okay, it got this ugly front bumper. We're gonna remove this today, but it's a little bit dirty, a lot. But it's really cool car. I love it. I'm really happy that I found it, and it's gonna need a little bit of love, but we can make this an awesome car. This is so cool. It's just a nice car. It needs a lot of love, but we can make this here happen. So yeah, I was looking for it quite for some time, and I finally found it. And the story is that it's been sitting from 2005 2006, and the guy parked it. It was running perfectly. That's what he said, and he needed to go in another country, so he parked it and said, when I go back I will drive it again. And then there was some stuff in his life, I don't know, and the car was just sitting in a field. I'm gonna put a picture so you can see it here in the field. And I was just driving and saw it on the side of the road and come knocking to buy it. And it's a clean papers, so the car is mine, and that's everything that's important here. So yeah, he parked it for 15 years, and about 5 years ago he said that to me. He tried to start it. He was thinking about drive it again, and she couldn't start anymore. And he said he tried to do something, change the air filter, I don't know why, and something, but he couldn't get it started. He said he was not a mechanic, and that his friend is gonna come check it. The friend never had time, and the car was sitting again for another 5 years or 7, I don't know. It's for some time. And then I came, saw this car, and said, I'm gonna buy it. So I bought it, and now it's here. So only thing I did to the car when I bought it, I couldn't open the hood latch, but I bought it nevertheless. So I didn't expect this to work, but I just get the penetration fluid and sprayed everything from all the angles I can find, trying to open that hood, and for some reason everything was loosened up and I can open it. And to my big surprise, everything is in place. And that's everything I did to the car. I just removed the hood latch because I don't want it to get stuck again. So that's the only thing I did to the car. Everything is here as I see. I didn't try to put the battery. I want to do everything on camera. I just wanted to see if I can open the hood with that little effort, and I couldn't believe that really worked. Okay, let me show you the interior. So it's pretty mint. It's just dusty, but everything is here. It's just a lot of spider webs and dust, but everything is in place. So yeah, that's really good. Everything is here, it's just dirty. Let me show you the back. And this car was fitted with the LPG, so that's really cool. So yeah, it's got a lot of work, but nothing that we can do. Okay, so it's time. Let's check the oil, check the water, and hopefully this engine will turn over. As I said, I couldn't check anything, and I wanted to check with you. So let's start checking things. Let's see the oil first. That's always the most important thing. Well, some oil is inside. Come on, focus. You can see it, but it's on max, so that's good. I'm happy with that. Let's see the water. Okay, there is nothing inside, so we're gonna fill this up. Other than that, I think everything is in place. If you are wondering about these LPG lines, I believe that's the old one, because new is here and everything is hooked up. So I looked the engine, but I didn't try to start it. So yeah, let's I can wait. Let's put the water in, then battery, and let's get it started. Hopefully, let's go. Okay, I topped the water so it has something so that we don't ride dry, and I put the battery in. So okay, for the first time I'm gonna take this just in case. You're gonna put that here, and I had here in the shop only distilled water. I didn't put any antifreeze, but it's hot outside, it's not winter, so I'm not too worried about it. For freezing, it's hot here, so let's try. For the first time, let's try the turn key. Woo! Okay, we have lights. Are we on neutral? Yes, we are. Oh, and the clock is working. Haha. Okay, let's see here. We are on gas. Okay, let's try to start it. Oh, the engine is turning over. Okay, let's try it. I put the gas in the fuel tank, so let's see. Okay, I will try to put fuel in the carburetor. And the choke is all the way out. I didn't record it, but I pulled the choke. Okay. Woo! It's turning over. Okay, let's open up the carburetor. I believe, not the carburetor, the fuel, the air filter. Let's open up the air filter. Let's try it. Let's try it by hand. Okay, this one is coming. And for this one, you're gonna just use some pliers. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open this up, then continue recording. Okay, this is brand new. The guy didn't lie, and the carburetor is looking good. So we are just gonna try it a little bit. Don't put too much in, just to give it a little bit of juice. That's enough. Okay, let's try to start it again. Okay, let's try it. Oh, okay. Woo, she's running. Well, she's not running, but she ran. Okay, so we have spark. Wait, I need to calm down. I'm a little bit exciting. Okay, what next? Wait, I just need to calm down a little bit. Okay, so we got spark. It's something with the fuel. It's okay. I need to calm down and start thinking. Let's check the AC pump. I don't have any resistance here, so I'm thinking maybe the fuel pump is bad. Come on, come on. Yeah, I think Let's remove the gas from here. I think it's a little bit of spider webs here, but let's try to unplug this. Okay, and as I can see, smell test, this is bone dry, and this, yeah, I think it's a bad fuel pump. But then if we put fuel directly here, then we can get started for longer. Okay, I'm gonna put you on the tripod and I'm gonna try make something to hear it run. Okay, this is not my smartest idea, but basically this is a fuel line that's going in the carburetor, and I put a funnel at the end. I clamped it so it's holding, but we still have a place to fuel to go, so let's try it. Okay, no leaks, that's cool. Okay, let's try to start it now. We need to run a little bit and let's try it again. So close. What if they put the choke back? Maybe it's about that. No. We are gonna pull the choke again. Maybe there's not enough fuel. So she wants to start. I really think it's a bad fuel pump, but we don't know for sure. So okay, that should be enough. Let's try it again. Woo! Okay. Okay, it's without the choke. She's still running. Let's put more gas in. Okay, she's running really good. I can't believe it. I think we didn't need to pull the choke, close the choke all the way, but she's running good. Let's hear it. Well, that's cool. So cool. I need to open up a shop, but she is running. I can't believe it's all it takes. It's a bad fuel pump. Okay, let's shut the car off. Okay, sorry. I'm thinking it's running a little bit rich, but that's probably because I just dumped a fuel inside the carburetor. But wow, she's running really good. I can't believe that's all it is. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna wait 5 minutes to air everything out. Then we are gonna talk what we're gonna do next. Okay guys, she's running. That's so cool. I can't believe it. She ran better than most of my cars. That's a little bit sad, but she is running really good. So I'm not going to remove the front and rear bumper this episode, because if I go right now I can find the fuel pump and replace it. So watch out for the next episode. We are gonna make it run it on its own, and the goal with this car for now is to get it running and driving so that I can drive it here around the yard, so that I don't need to push it every time it's in the way of something or someone. So that's the only thing now. So can't wait to drive it. That's gonna be so cool. Okay, so let's try to find the fuel pump. Then let me show you. We need to fix the clutch because it's so hard, and that little bit of 2 centimeter that goes, it doesn't go back. But I believe it's just a bad clutch cylinder. I really don't want to remove the gearbox and everything, so I'm hoping it's just a bad clutch cylinder. And please let me know in the comments, what is this red light blinking all the way when it's running? When the key is in the ignition, it's always blinking. So please let me know in the comments what this is for. I really want to know, and if you can help me, that would be so cool. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I can't believe it. This is so cool. I can't believe it's running, and it's running so good. So I'm gonna run to get a new fuel pump, and the next video we need to fix fuel, clutch, and the front brakes are locked up. The front wheels are not turning. So that's the problems for the next video. We need to fix the fuel pump, clutch, and the brakes. Then she's ready to run, and then we just need to clean it, and that's gonna be it until I finish the NIVA project. But I can't believe I have my dream daily driver. That's so cool, and wow, that's awesome. Okay, in the next episode we're gonna remove those ugly front bumper and rear. I promise that I'm probably gonna remove it off the camera, and just in the next video we're gonna starting with the Lada that should look how it's supposed to. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. And in the next video, hopefully it's gonna running on its own power, and I can change gears and stop. Hopefully I'm gonna drive it, then clean it, and it's gonna be an awesome car. Well guys, thank you so much, and see you in the next episode. Bye.